Are you considering a career in accounting but unsure which path to take? The possibilities in this field are vast, with specialties ranging from financial accounting to forensic accounting and auditing to taxation. In this video, I'll break down the 5 types of accountants, what they do, and how to decide which one aligns with your career goals. You can also get the complete list of accounting career paths for free in the link below. But first, please do me a favor. Hit that like button, share this video, and subscribe to our channel for more insightful career content. All right, let's get started. First up, we have public accountants. These professionals work with many clients, including individuals, businesses, and government entities. They provide such essential services as auditing, tax preparation, and consulting to help clients comply with financial regulations and improve their financial performance. Public accountants often work for accounting firms, from small local practices to the Big 4 firms like Deloitte, PwC, Ernst & Young, and KPMG. Their work environment is fast-paced and dynamic, exposing them to various industries and financial scenarios. Public accounting might be the perfect fit if you enjoy working with different clients, tackling new financial challenges, and having a structured career path with growth opportunities. Many public accountants pursue certifications like the Certified Public Accountant or CPA credential to advance in this field, which can open doors to better opportunities and higher salaries. Next, we have management accountants. These professionals work within an organization to help businesses make informed financial decisions. Unlike public accountants who work with multiple clients, management accountants focus on a company's internal financial operations. Their responsibilities include budgeting, financial planning, cost analysis, and performance evaluation. They're crucial in helping leadership teams understand the company's financial health and make strategic decisions to improve profitability and efficiency. Management accountants often collaborate closely with other departments, such as operations and marketing, to analyze costs and forecast future financial performance. Their insights help businesses allocate resources effectively and stay competitive in the market. Management accounting might be a great fit if you enjoy working within a team, analyzing financial data, and contributing to a business's long-term success. To advance in this field, many management accountants pursue the Certified Management Accountant or CMA credential, which enhances their ability to provide strategic financial management expertise and can lead to leadership roles. All right. Now, let's look at government accountants. These professionals work in the public sector, helping local, state, and federal government agencies manage their financial resources responsibly. Their primary focus is ensuring that public funds are allocated, spent, and reported in compliance with regulations and policies. Government accountants are crucial in budgeting, financial reporting, and auditing public programs to ensure transparency and accountability. They may work for such agencies as the Internal Revenue Service, IRS, the Government Accountability Office, GAO, or local municipal offices. Their work involves preparing financial statements, monitoring expenditures, and ensuring taxpayer money is used efficiently. If you're passionate about public service and want to contribute to the financial well-being of government institutions, a career in government accounting could be the right fit for you. Unlike corporate roles, government accounting often provides more stability, predictable work hours, and a focus on compliance rather than profitability. To excel in this field, certifications like the CPA or the Certified Government Financial Manager or CGFM can enhance career prospects and open doors to higher-level positions in government financial management. Let's now move on to forensic accountants, or the so-called financial detectives who specialize in investigating fraud, financial misconduct, and legal disputes. Forensic accounting combines accounting, auditing, and investigative skills to analyze financial data and uncover irregularities that may indicate fraud, embezzlement, or other financial crimes. These professionals often work with law enforcement agencies, legal teams, and corporations to investigate financial discrepancies, support litigation cases, and provide expert testimony in court. Their job involves tracing financial transactions, analyzing records for inconsistencies, and identifying patterns that might suggest fraudulent activity. Forensic accounting might be the right path for you if you have a keen eye for detail, enjoy problem solving, and are interested in the intersection of finance and law. This role requires analytical thinking, skepticism, and a deep understanding of financial regulations and fraud detection techniques. Many forensic accountants pursue certifications like the Certified Fraud Examiner, CFE, or the CPA, specializing in forensic accounting to establish their credibility and expertise. Finally, we have tax accountants, specialists focusing on tax planning, compliance, and strategy for individuals and businesses. Their primary responsibility is ensuring clients comply with tax laws while optimizing their financial position through strategic tax planning. Tax accountants work on preparing and filing tax returns, analyzing financial records to identify potential deductions, and staying up to date with ever-changing tax regulations. They provide advice on tax-saving opportunities, help clients minimize liabilities legally, and represent them in case of audits or disputes with tax authorities. This role requires a strong understanding of tax codes, attention to detail, and the ability to work under pressure, especially during tax season. Tax accountants can work in public accounting firms and corporate tax departments, or even start their own tax consulting businesses. If you enjoy working with numbers, solving complex tax issues, and helping clients navigate the complexities of tax laws, then tax accounting could be an excellent fit for you. To advance in this field, many tax accountants pursue the Certified Public Accountant or CPA designation or specialize further with a tax certification, such as the Enrolled Agent or EA, which allows them to represent clients before the IRS. Want to discover more? Please be sure to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and activate notifications. And if you wish to get job ready for a successful career in finance, don't miss the opportunity to subscribe to the 365 Financial Analyst platform. Stay tuned.